Today we will learn about the eddy current tachometer and the capacitive tachometer. So firstly we discussed about the eddy current tachometer, and this type of tachometer it is also known as the drag cup tachometer. So in this type of tachometer the test shaft rotates a permanent magnet. This is the rotating shaft and that is connected with the permanent magnet, and it also rotates this permanent magnet when it rotates, and it is also connected with a steel cup, or you can say drag cup, and that is close to the magnet, and this eddy current produced after rotating the permanent magnet that produces a torque which rotates the cup against the torque of a spring. And this is the aluminium cup that is connected with the rod and which is held with the spring. So which it rotates the cup against the torque of a spring. So disc turn in direction of the rotating magnetic until the torque developed equal that of the spring. So here is dial and pointers are also used. So a pointer attached to the cup indicate the rotational speed on a calibrated scale. And this type of eddy current tachometer, the principle also used in, this is the principle, eddy current tachometer principle is used in automobile speedometer also, and these tachometer are used for measuring the rotational speed up to 12,000 rpm with an accuracy of plus minus 3%. So this is about the eddy current and or drag cup tachometer, and now we discuss about the capacitive tachometer, and it is also known as the capacitive pickup tachometer. In this type of tachometer, capacitive pickup tachometer consists of a vane that is connected at one end of the rotating shaft. When the shaft rotates between the field of the capacitive plate, then there is the pulses induced type generated, and these induced pulses also supply to the shaper or amplifier. So the capacitor form a part of an oscillator trunk so that number of the frequency changes per unit of time is measure of the shaft speed, and these pulses induced type thus produces are amplified and squared. Now it becomes square pulses, and these square pulses fed to the frequency meter or digital counter so as to provide a digital analog of the shaft rotation. So we discussed about the capacitive pickup tachometer and eddy current tachometer. Subscribe to get more updates, more video on mechanical topics and Universe 22. You may also like Facebook page on www.facebook.com and Universe 22. You may like, share among your friends and students. You can ask your queries by commenting. Give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.